Hi! In front of me is ZTE AXON 20, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this ZTE. Begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher. Then you need to install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select Allow in the pop-ups. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and tap on Home button. Finally, you can access Devices settings. In them, tap on Apps, select Default Apps, and click on Home app. Then tap on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Lastly, click on Got It in the pop-up. As you can see after that, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to your default one, access the same default app settings and select System Launcher or switch to iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!